Y'all, I want to tell y'all how these custom Airbnb boxes came together. So, shout out to the brands I got to use: Saxonova, Honeybee Sage, Atmosphere by Vignette. But these gifts came out of an experience I had in Chicago when I went to go see Beyoncé, Cowboy Carter, my first ever Beyoncé tour, my first ever Beyoncé concert, and I got to see it with my homegirl Cece, and she did not disappoint. She found us this amazing, luxurious hotel in the Shy called the Langham Hotel. Y'all, look at this privacy wall. This is me standing in the bathroom with his and her sinks and a bathtub and a shower outside the bathtub, and you push a button and you can see clear into the bedroom. Y'all, doorbells on the door. Oh, oh, look at these hallways. They just go on forever. I had never experienced anything like this. And I was just like, yo, this is crazy. I hate credit cards, but I think I need an American Express. So, like, the whole experience from top to bottom. So, this is the second floor. This is where you check in, which also, like, girl, what? Why am I taking an elevator to check in? Look at this lobby. But anytime you got on and off the elevator, so our hotel was on the sixth floor, this the second floor. Every time you got off the elevator, there was a signature scent wafting through the building. Like, I just felt like I was somewhere else because it took me somewhere else. So I found a candle. This is their signature scent in a candle and a diffuser. You can only get it at the Langham Hotel. You cannot order it online. The food was sensational. This is their signature smash burger with their Parmesan fries. I got me a virgin drink, little hibiscus margarita with some tahini. The food was sensational. Everything. So we also did a tea party while we was there, y'all. And so it came out in four stages. This is the intro stage, the love potion. This is the desserts, which I can tell you was orgasmic. These are they little finger Sammies. Oh, so good. They even sent us a bottle after the concert for part of the turn down service. But that's not what got me about the hotel. It was the plus size robes and it was the house shoes. Y'all, as soon as you got in, you got a pair of house shoes that you could take home with you. And as you can see, I did. And I was like, man, how can I translate this experience back home? How can I translate this experience with the independent brands that I have in my database? And how can I give people coming to our amazing city of Milwaukee, Wisconsin, this experience that I had at this hotel where you want to take it home with you? And that's how the gift boxes were born. I'm super excited that they came out well. Can't wait to do more. Okay.